Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create a horizontal line that contains a text in the middle using HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a horizontal line here that's in orange color and there's a text in the middle. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we'll utilize field set element. Give it a class custom line. Here we'll use legend element. Text will be centered text. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select custom line class. Margin will be 25 pixel and auto. Padding will be 0. Width will be 60%. Border will be none. Border top will be 5 pixels solid orange. Now we'll select the legend element. So it will be custom line legend. Since legend is the child of this custom line class, here first of all we'll make text align center. Padding will be 0 and 20 pixel. Font weight will be bold. Font size will be 25 pixels. Color will be white. Now that's all what you need to create a horizontal line that contains text in the middle. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.